Hey there, today I'll tell you how to auto accept payment on Cash App. You can set up Cash App to automatically add cash to your account from a linked bank account or debit card. You can also set up Cash App to automatically accept payments from a specific people. So how you can do it? Now let me show you. First, enable automatic acceptance for payments from contacts. By default, payments from people you have previously transacted with are automatically accepted. Open Cash App on your phone. Tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and find Privacy and Security. Ensure incoming payments or similar settings are enabled to allow automatic transactions from trusted contacts. If someone is sending you money for the first time, their payments may be marked as pending and require manual acceptance. Open Cash App and go to Activity tab. Look for any pending transaction. Tap the Accept button next to the pending payments. Once accepted, future payments from that similar will be automatically processed. Now set up direct deposit for auto payments. If you are accepting recurring payments like paycheckers or government benefits, you can enable direct deposit. Tap the Banking tab, select direct deposit and follow the instructions to set up your Cash App account and routing number. Once enabled, deposits will be received automatically. Link a bank account for seamless transfer. Go to Banking tab and link your debit card or bank account. This ensures you can automatically withdraw funds without manual approval. And that's it. That's how you can set up auto accept payment in Cash App.